Forza Horizon 6 MDAGSX64.dll was not found error. This is a quick fix to get the game launching again. Watch till the end and try each step. Step 1. Restart your PC to clear temporary glitches that may block DL files. What to do? Save your work, restart your PC, launch Forza Horizon 6. If the error continues, move to the next step. Step 2. Reinstall AMD graphics driver if your GPU drivers are outdated or corrupted. The game may fail to load the DLL properly. Clean install your AMD drivers. Go to your device manager, click your expand display adapters, right click on AMD and select on install. Once done, go to the AMD official website with the drivers on it. Go ahead and download the Windows driver and go ahead and install. Once done, go ahead and restart your PC and try launching the game. If the error still persists, let's proceed to step 3. Step 3. Install the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. Many games rely on Visual C++ libraries to run DLL files correctly. If these components are missing or corrupted for Forza Horizon 6, it may crash instantly. Install both versions Visual C++ 2015 to 2022, x64 Visual C++ 2015 to 2022, x86 as well. After installation, restart your computer, launch the game again. Step 4. Check Windows Security Protection History. Windows Defender sometimes silently removes DLL files. How to restore blocked files. Open Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, open Protection History, look for block. Forza Horizon 6 files. Restore anything related to AMD AGS x64.dll. Forza Horizon 6. After restoring, add the game to folder to exclusions, and then restart your PC and try once more. Step 5. Repair corrupted Windows files. Damaged Windows system files can also trigger DLL related errors. Run SFC scan, press Windows key, search for a command prompt, right click it, select Run as Administrator, type this command /fc scan now. Wait for the scan to finish. If the Windows finds corrupted files, it will repair them automatically. Restart your PC afterward. Step 6. Update Windows. Updated Windows builds can create compatibility problems with modern games and drivers. Update Windows Open Settings. Go to Windows. Click Check for Windows Update. Install all available updates. Restart your PC after installation. That's it. Try these fixes and Forza Horizon 6 should start working. Again, without the DLL error. Thank you so much for watching. That's it for this video. Have a wonderful day.